Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the RENPHO and it's the Eyeris Kintsugi. It's an eye massager, so it's supposed to like go, something you wear on your eyes to massage them, I guess, make it feel good. We're gonna give this thing a try. My eyes are always feeling tired after making videos and sitting on my computer all day long. So let's see, how do we open this? There we go, like this. And ta-da, your healing is your story. Mend yourself with love. There we go. Okay. Oh, really nice case it comes in. Comes in a little zipper case, like a neoprene case. How cool is that? I don't know why my lights aren't on in here, but okay. And then we got the stuff in here and stuff in here. So these are all our items from here. Box. Nice, really nice packaging. Okay, so I'm going to aim y'all down a little bit so you can actually see what's going on here. Okay. So let's open up this here. I guess we don't need our with the love thing. Okay, so this is what they look like here. Oh. So this is it here. Look at that. It's like a whole device and then in there. Okay. And then what is this here? I guess this is probably going to be like this is like a neoprene sleeve for it. And here is the charging cable. Okay, so this is just going to charge through USB to USB-C. So that we can understand, we are good with. That wearing your eye massager gives you the ability to put it on, and then the gel mask can go on it as well. So, okay. So I guess the gel mask will keep you warm or cool, depending on what temperature the gel is at. Boy, opening up the instructions, it's all taped in. Okay, and here is our user manual for this. So I'm gonna, we'll skip right to the button aspect of it. So we have an adjustable buckle back here, so we can make it tighter or looser. We have the headband, we have the eye cushions, we have the power timer, and then the heat and vibration buttons. So those are all going to be over here. So we have power at the top, the heat and vibration are there, there, and there, and then the bottom one is volume or silent music button, I guess, so we can have our music going. And then it comes with the storage bag and the user manual and the freezable gel mask and a charging cable. So I like stuff cold, so for me, I would go right into the freezer for that. So that will be the go-to. But let's go ahead and give this thing a try. Welcome to the RENPHO eye massager. Air pressure plus heat. Did you hear that? It said, welcome to the RENPHO air massager, eye pressure plus heat. Okay, so let's see if we do. Oh, wait, it's going. 10 minutes, it says. Okay, so what it's doing now, it's pressurizing right here on the sides. Oh, now it's pressurizing up here somewhere. Oh, like between my nose, I guess. And then it lets go, and then it's back here again. And I think the heat mode must be on. So let me see. No temperature. There we go. I turned it off. Medium pressure. So there's medium pressure. Strong pressure. Okay, let's give that a try. Oh, that really is strong pressure. Oh man, that's still too strong for me. No pressure. Soft pressure. Soft pressure is probably good. This would be great, man. If I'm just sitting there like laying down on the couch, this would be like the greatest thing ever. Oh my God, and if I put that thing in the freezer, okay. This is gonna be, oh man. Okay, I don't want to take it off. I want to just sit there and go through the whole cycle. But you get the idea. But holy mackerel, that thing is the greatest thing ever. This is my new favorite toy forever. And so this is it here. It's by RENPHO. And I'm going to fully charge this thing and probably sit on it for hours. Let's see where the charger is for it. Good question. Let's figure this out so we can, oh, there it is right there. Right there. So that's where we can charge it. And so I can go and freeze my face mask, this thing here, stick this in the freezer. And then I'll be able to wear that under my mask. I'll put that on over, over the stuff. And then this is gonna be the greatest thing ever. Oh, so cool. Very excited for this. Pick up one of these, and it's got the little case for it. And I'll see you guys later because I'm gonna go play around with this for a long time. Thumbs up for sure.